equation of values. In an equation of values, the sum of values of a set of payments is equal to the sum of values of a set of obligations on the same comparison date. So our equation is all payments equals all obligations. Let us have steps in solving equation of values. 1. Draw a time diagram. Compute the maturity value if needed. 2. Plot the payments above and the obligations below the time diagram. 3. Choose a comparison date if not given. 4. Bring the payments and obligations to the chosen comparison date by either accumulating or discounting the values. 5. Let X be the unknown payment. 6. Equate using all payments equals all obligations. And finally, solve for the unknown variable. Let's have an example. Christian owes 20,000 pesos due in 3 years and 30,000 pesos due in 6 years. He is allowed to settle these obligations by a single payment on the 5th year. How much should he pay on the 5th year if the money is worth 12% compounded semi-annually? Use 5 years as comparison date. Let's have a time diagram. All payments must be written above the line and all obligations below the line. From the given problem, we have an obligation on the 3rd year amounting to 20,000 pesos and on the 6th year 30,000 pesos. And we have to find the single payment on the 5th year, which is denoted as X. So in our diagram, let us have at the end of 5 years as our comparison date. So from 3rd year to 5th year, 20,000 pesos will be accumulated. Our time is 2 years. From 6th year to 5th year, 30,000 pesos will be discounted and our time is 1 year. Let's have the given. If money is worth 12% compounded semi-annually, J is 12% equals 0.12. M equals 2. Solution. All payments equals all obligations. So X equals 20,000 pesos times the quantity of 1 plus 0.12 over 2 raised to 4 plus 30,000 pesos times 1 plus 0.12 over 2 raised to negative 2. X equals 25,249 pesos and 54 centavos plus 26,699 pesos and 89 centavos. So, the single payment at the end of 5th year is 51,949 pesos and 43 centavos. Let's have another example. Kate owes 120,000 pesos due in 4 years with accumulated interest from today at 13% compounded monthly. She agrees to pay it in installment, 30,000 pesos after 2 years, 40,000 pesos after 3 years, and the balance at the end of 4 years. If the money is worth 9.5% compounded quarterly, find the final payment. Given. P is 120,000 pesos, J is 13% equals 0.13, M is 12, T is 4 years, N equals 4 times 12 equals 48. Man is worth 9.5% compounded quarterly, so J is 9.5% equals 0.095 and M is equal to 4. Let's have the solution. Let us compute for the final amount. F equals P times the quantity of 1 plus J over M raised to N. And that is 120,000 pesos times the quantity of 1 plus 0.13 over 12 raised to 48. So the final amount is 201,279 pesos and 65 centavos. Let us have our time diagram. All payments must be written above the line and obligations below the line. On the second year, we have a payment of 30,000 pesos, 40,000 pesos on the third year, and the final payment on the fourth year. Let us have at the end of 4 years be our comparison date. So 30,000 pesos will be accumulated to fourth year and 40,000 pesos also to fourth year. And we have an obligation of 201,279 pesos and 65 centavos. Let us remember that all payments equals all obligations. So 30,000 pesos times the quantity of 1 plus 0.095 over 4 raised to 8 plus 40,000 pesos times 1 plus 0.095 over 4 raised to 4 plus x equals 201,279 pesos and 65 centavos. 36,197 pesos plus 43,937 pesos and 53 centavos plus x equals 201,279 pesos and 65 centavos. X equals 201,279 pesos and 65 centavos minus 80,134 pesos and 53 centavos. So X equals 121,145 pesos and 12 centavos.